Imagine high-quality, thought-leading SEO campaigns for your website and your fees being linked to performance. Sound too good to be true? It isn't. Here's how it works. Well-run, amazing campaigns using the latest on-page content marketing and link-building strategies. You pay a substantially reduced monthly fee. And you only pay us any extra if your site makes more sales, attracts more visitors, or seals more conversions. That's it. That means client and agency share the financial risk of working together and also work towards the same objectives. It's win-win. While other agencies might rest on their laurels if they're being paid a fixed budget, we'll always have the incentive to keep being proactive, because the only way that we get our full fee is if your site makes more sales, attracts more visitors, or seals more conversions. It works too. Our clients have great success stories. 133% increase in revenue over 12 months. 63% increase in organic revenue from one content marketing campaign. Media coverage from the BBC and Western Daily Press on our Space Bacon campaign, leading to 100% sustained increase in organic traffic. Don't settle for standard. Choose Pay on Results SEO with strategy, and you can be sure you're choosing exceptional.